Hey, I am Shubhamon. In this video, I will talk about a very fundamental foundation of a business which is called business model. I will discuss what business model is, why is it necessary, and different types of models. In simple words, a business model refers to a company's plan for making profit. Even though startups do not make any profit in the initial few years, I will make a separate video about this, but they do have a solid business model because it's quite obvious that every business requires a structure or a framework on the basis of which it runs. Specifically, business model identifies the product or service that the business is trying to sell. It identifies the targeted market and the expense that it carries. Successful businesses have business models that allow them to fulfill their clients' need at a sustainable cost and at a competitive price. One thing to keep in mind is that these models are not static. A business can upgrade or revise their business model according to the evolution of market and their customer base. This is something that is very useful for investors. Investors can evaluate how a business makes money by looking at its model. Even though business model do not explain everything about a company, but it does explain a major working part. And an investor who understands this particular business model can take better decisions on the ground of finance. Now the question arises, how do we know whether a business model is good or bad? Well, the answer is simple. By looking at the company's gross profit. Comparing a company's gross profit to that of its competitors throws light on the effectiveness and efficiency of that particular company's business model. And another most important thing to keep in mind is the importance of cash flow. So there are various types of business models. Direct sales, advertising based, franchising, brick and mortar stores are some example of traditional business models. Nowadays there exist hybrid model as well, which combine internet retail and brick and mortar stores with some big organization. As because every business model is unique, I will make separate videos on each one of them. Now I will take example of a particular business model, and for that let's go to my computer screen. Let's take example of two companies that rent and sell movies. Let's say company A and company B. So both of these companies have revenues of $5 million and their inventory cost is $4 million. By inventory cost I mean the money they require to store the physical copy of movies. Now and hence their profit is revenue minus inventory cost, which is $1 million for both the companies, and both of these companies have similar business model in the beginning. Now internet arrives. So with the arrival of internet, what company B does is it decides to stream movies online instead of renting or selling physical copies, and as a result of it inventory cost goes down drastically because they no more have to keep any physical copy of movies. And so let's now take the revenue as $5 million and storage cost become $2 million. Storage cost and inventory cost are both kind of same, but as because they don't have to keep any more physical copy of movies, so I used the term storage cost. So it became $2 million from $4 million, and hence the profit became $3 million, which was previously $1 million. Company B is making more profit now because it took the advantage of internet. So company B revised its model with time. Now let's look at company A. Company A fails to update its business plan and is stuck with a lower gross profit margin because with the arrival of internet, company A did not revise its business model, and as a result of it, its sales begin to slide downwards. And soon company A will be out of business because, as I said in the video, the business model is not static. Companies need to revise and update their models according to the evolution of their targeted market and their audience or the people who are using their services. But company A didn't do it, but company B did it. Company B brought a revolution in the way people used to see movies, but company A did not do anything. They were stuck with their old model, which was same for both company A and company B. But here company B is the winner. So this is a very short explanation of how business model work and how companies need to upgrade and revise their models time to time. one thing that I would like to add here is that I am not any kind of pro in the field of business. I just like reading cool stuffs in internet and I find it really useful for me, so I would like to share it with you guys as well. If you guys find it useful, then please consider subscribing my channel. I will be making more content like this. Share it with your friends, like this video, comment your thoughts. So yeah, till then, it's Shubhamoy signing off.